Pudge. Hello. How are you today? Well, are you in a good mood? Are you a happy bird today? Huh? Are you a happy bird? Yeah? Hey Pudge, I want to talk to you today about authenticity. What do you think about people being authentic? Do you think people are being true to themselves? Huh? Do you think people are being truthful? Do you think people are just wearing masks? Huh? Are you wearing a mask? Are you wearing a mask, buddy? Oh. Hey, Newton, what do you think of people wearing masks? Do you think people wear masks to hide who they truly are? Huh? Newton, are you wearing a mask? Huh? Have you always been your true authentic self with me? Huh? I sure hope so. I know. I just think people need to learn to be who they truly are. Don't you think so? People need to remove their mask and not pretend. Right? What do you think, Pudge? Huh? No mask. You don't wear a mask, do you? No, you don't wear a mask, do you, buddy? No. No, you don't. Authenticity rules, huh? Authenticity rules, huh, buddy? Yeah. You gotta be true to yourself. There's no other way to be. Oh, hi. Hi. You have something to say? Yeah? Tell me. Mm-hmm. Yeah? Nathan, what do you got to say? Huh? Hey, Pudge. What do you think of people always using ChatGPT? Do you think it's fine to use every once in a while, but not all the time? Because people need to be true to who they are. How do we know the difference between if they're being authentic and they're just using AI all the time? What do you think? Is that scary? You don't want to talk about it? Okay. Newton, what words of wisdom do you have today? Huh? I really think people need to be true to themselves, because how do people get to know the true you if you're always living behind AI, or you're sharing motivational quotes that are not yours? I share them every once in a while, but I try to share what's on my heart and soul and be true to me, because as I have said, I feel like I have a soul mission and purpose, and that is to speak my truth from the life lessons. And that's how people learn from who they are, is from their life lessons. And I truly believe there's no good or bad. They're all, mistakes or reroutes in finding who you truly are. So don't be afraid to be yourself. Life is going way too fast, and you just need to keep believing in yourself. You've got this. Have a great day.